Hey guys, I'm Tutorial Phil. Welcome back to my channel. This is a more detailed review of the new 1.1 Millionaires sunglasses. So I still have it in the box. I did wear it once to a opening party, and the slightly different thing about this box is that it's a different color that's special to the Spring Summer Virgil Abloh launch. For comparison, this is their regular color. It's in the newer packaging, but this is the regular color. It's more of the deep blue, same as the cotton handles and the pull tab you can see here. So inside there's also just a booklet on the care, I think, of the sunglasses and some general information about the lenses. So nothing too special there. I think they include that with all their sunglasses. And I actually have this is just the item number. This is Z1167W. And then the last letter is referencing the type of fit. There's E and W, which actually stands for Eastern and Western fit. I think they're going to have more of the Western fit ones. Which would be interesting for this one because this one doesn't have nose pads. So here are the glasses. These are in the green color, and I chose this because this is the only color that has texture to it. It's a green marbling effect. And then you can see it has the Louboutin Monogram on top, which is very similar to the original Millionaires sunglasses. This is a reinterpretation of it. That's why it's the 1.1. The original version was back in 2004, and that was a collaboration between Pharrell and Nigo from Bathing Ape with Marc Jacobs, who was the creative director for women's at that time. And then on the side you have the very famous S-Lock design, which I think is in the original version too. And this color is also the only one that's slightly translucent. You can see here, you can see my finger through the lens, through this plastic part, which is acetate. And the hinge corresponds to the main color as well. They make these sunglasses in 4 colors right now. It's black, white, red, and then this green marbled one. All the other 3 are solid and opaque. I think the white one is the most popular one, and that was completely sold out. The next one was either this or the black one. And the red one I think is least popular, although I'm sure it's still sold out in a lot of places. Red is just a tougher color to pair with many outfits. So I think for most people, black is probably going to be the most popular color for everyday wear. And this is very angular and geometric, so all of these corners are pretty sharp. Unlike the first version or the original version, it was a lot more rounded. This one, you can see the shape of it. It's a lot more angular, and even the way it's inset here, there's like a curve, and the lenses actually almost go in. There's like a little shelf on the bottom of the lenses there. So there's not really a nose bridge, like nose padding at all. And earlier when I talked about the W and the E, that's what it has to do with, is how this is shaped. For W, it's meant for people whose nose bridges are taller. And then for Eastern fit, it's for people who have less pronounced nose bridges, so that it's more comfortable to wear and that it keeps it up. Because if you have a lower nose bridge, these glasses, or either sunglasses or eyeglasses without the nose pad that you can adjust, they will easily keep slipping off your face. I don't have this issue, so that's why the W works for me. And then my other Louis Vuitton glasses, when they introduced the E and W fit, I tried on both, and the W definitely worked a lot better for me. So this has the I mean, it's new, but this might be vintage. It's a Louis Vuitton kind of in a script, and Paris, France. And there's Pont-Neuf, which is where the headquarters is. Copyright 2018. I'm not sure. This actually says M1118, and then there's like an asterisk and a 3. I'm not sure what that means. But there's the item number again, Z1167W. 9GN is the color code. That's like the size of the lens and the nose bridge, and then the temples or these hinges. And these are made in Italy. And these have the gold tone hardware. These retail for $845 in the US. In this video, I'm not gonna try it on because since I don't really show my face on YouTube or in general, it's just a little bit awkward to try and hide my face and model these for you. I will definitely be showing them in my outfits and posts on Instagram. So if you want to see how it looks like on, you should check out my Instagram page. And I definitely have a lot more try-on posts there as well. And I curate it just like I curate my YouTube channel. So these are the new Millionaire sunglasses. So I really like all the details that are references to the historic quality or the historic nature of the brand with this trunk, the S-lock, you have the monogram, and I really like the font treatment here, Louis Vuitton. I know you can't see it from the outside, but it's just a nice detail that when I take them off, I really like the look of the inside. So I think that's just a really cool, nice touch, and I'm kind of hoping Virgil does this kind of treatment for more of the items and maybe even possibly on like the outside of some of the goods. Like I actually don't mind if this treatment was on the outside here. I normally don't want it to be too obvious. Like on one of my glasses, they think the Attitude. One thing that I wanted to remove was its silk screen Louis Vuitton in their regular font like this on the side. I didn't really think it added anything, but I do really like this, especially with the Pont-Neuf as well, because you don't really see that with other brands, so that makes it a lot more unique for Louis Vuitton. So like I was saying, these edges are pretty sharp. And that's my video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Check out my Instagram page for the latest updates and exclusive content. And I'll definitely post more try-on pictures of these as well.